Sorry. Hello there. So on this video, it's not very great production quality, but on this video I want to explain a little bit about a project that we have on Japan Tree. Japan Tree has a kanji project that's for kanji mnemonics, for learning kanji in a simpler, faster way. In this video, I want to explain how our free resource compares to and can be an alternative to, or it can be a complement to the product called wanikani. We will go into that a little bit in this video. So let's dive into it. So first off, to find the Yakitori Kanji Stories series on Japan Tree, you're going to want to navigate to our kanji page. On our kanji page, we have, as you can see here, a video introduction to how to use this kanji resource. We also have here the keyword worksheets. Also, a page where you can make kanji lists. So if you're taking a kanji test in your high school or college Japanese course, you can make lists of the kanji with mnemonics to learn them more simply. Also, we have our video series that has been mostly completed for almost all of the kanji, and our paperback workbook. So quickly, let's compare some things with wanikani and our alternative or complementary website. So here we are on the wanikani homepage, and to give you some background about wanikani, if you haven't used it as a resource yet, it's free to sign up, and according to their user guide here, wanikani is free up to level 4, which is approximately 100 kanji, which is what elementary school student will learn in grade 1, I believe. So what does wanikani do? Wanikani uses mnemonics and radicals to help you learn the kanji, plus it adds also vocabulary that can help you use the kanji in context. Wanikani is also very similar to another website called kanjidamage.com. It's a website that explains kanji, and breaking them down by mnemonics and putting them in an order that you build upon each new kanji, which is what they also mention on wanikani, that they do a breakdown by they organize them in a way that you're building upon previous knowledge. So this is a great resource for a self-learner. It's a little bit more difficult for someone who's taking a class to use, but wanikani might have something that helps with that. So about wanikani's pricing, once you're past the free period, you're looking at monthly $9, annual $89 per year, or a one-time payment of $299, which is not bad for what you're getting. You're getting a lot of visuals that will help you to retain the information. So Wanikani is a good resource. Now, to give you a brief explanation of how Japan Tree's resource differs from Wanikani, also from Kanji Damage, and basically any other website that we're aware of as far as use of kanji mnemonics. For one, it's completely free, similar to Kanji Damage, but different from Kanji Damage and Wanikani. Japan Tree's kanji lists all the kanji on a single page. Actually, 2 pages, because there are just too many kanji. But so you have here the kanji, and then you also have a breakdown of the kanji, what components make up the kanji. By having all of the kanji on one page, you're going to be seeing how kanji components, for instance, 3 boxes for this kanji, which can be read as hin. These 3 boxes go together to make up a kanji that can mean products. So you're seeing how kanji go together in a way that you're not going to see on Wanikani, because it goes through maybe one kanji at a time or several kanji at a time. The same thing for Kanji Damage. You're going to have to go through each individual kanji instead of seeing a breakdown of all of them on one page, which is what we're doing at Japan Tree Kanji. Also on Japan Tree Kanji, you can hover over any of the kanji and it gives you a breakdown of what make up that kanji. So in this case, for products, you see that it has 3 boxes. The same thing for to say. We can see that it's also got mouth, and it's got 3, and it's got dot. So anyway, you're seeing the breakdown of all the kanji. You're going to get more used to seeing how kanji break down into their individual radicals. Real quickly, and before we hit our 10-minute mark here, I want to show you also our keyword worksheet also has an introductory video. The keyword worksheet is where you're really going to learn kanji well, and it's going to be the resource that helps you to master writing them. So similar to the page that we just saw, you have a breakdown of the kanji. So if you want to learn the kanji for products, so now you have just the keywords, and you have that it's 3 boxes make up this kanji for products. If you can't remember what box looks like, you hover over and you see box. If you can't remember what products is, you hover over products and you see that it's made up of 3 boxes. So going through these pages of keywords, you can practice your retention of how to write the kanji. Lastly here, we're going to take a look at our kanji lists. Okay, so let's say you have a kanji test coming up and you want to know, you have to take a test on these particular 4 kanji, you can enter them into the search box here and then click on Make Kanji List. Then you'll get the list of these 4 kanji, and you'll see their breakdown. So in the case of old, you're seeing that to get old, it's a radical for old and the radical for spoon. Okay, so you can then make up your own mnemonic that helps you to remember it for your kanji class, for kanji test. This can be really useful for someone who has to take tests on kanji, and instead of someone who is just self-learning. Lastly, we also, to explain here, we also have the video series where I go through kanji and talk about the components in them. It can be a useful resource for practicing also, as I explained in the first video of the series. I hope that you'll take a look at these resources, and they will help you and possibly supplement what you're doing with some other resource. So thank you for watching, and please visit Japan Tree.